So today we will start the next topic, that is exponents and powers. So we will start with the first question. So the name of the topic is exponents and powers. Okay, let's start with the first question. What is y raised to minus 2? Okay, so we know that a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. So apply this law here, a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m, so that you will get y raised to minus 2 will be equal to 1 by y raised to 2. Okay, so you move this y raised to minus 2 to this denominator and change the sign of the power. So 1 by a raised to m. So here a is, so this is a. So here a is equal to y and m is equal to 2, right? This is m. So this is in the form of a raised to minus m. What is a raised to minus m? A raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. So this will be equal to 1 by y square. So the answer is 1 by y square. Second question. What is 1 by a raised to 7? What is 1 by a raised to 7? This one again we will apply this a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. So this is in the form of 1 by a raised to m. What is 1 by a raised to m? 1 by a raised to m equal to a raised to minus m. So I can write 1 by a raised to 7 equals a raised to minus m. That means a raised to minus 7. So the answer is, so the equivalent expression of 1 by a raised to 7 will be equal to a raised to minus 7. Third question. Question number 3. What is 1 by 2 raised to 8? What is 1 by 2 raised to 8? Again, we know that a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. Apply this 1 by a raised to m. 1 by a raised to m equal to a raised to minus m. So I can write like this: 1 by 2 raised to 8 equals 2 raised to minus 8. That means a raised to minus m. So the answer is, the equivalent expression of 1 by 2 raised to 8 equals 2 raised to minus 8. Question number 4. Question number 4. What is 5 raised to minus 2? What is 5 raised to minus 2? Okay. Again, we will apply this a raised to minus m will be equal to 1 by a raised to m. So 5 raised to minus 2 will be equal to 1 by 5 raised to 2. Okay. So the answer is, so the equivalent expression of 5 raised to minus 2 will be equal to 1 by 5 raised to 2. Then next question. Question number 5. Question number 5. Find n. Find the value of n if y raised to 4 the whole raised to 2 will be equal to y raised to n. Y raised to 4 the whole square is equal to y raised to n. So we will apply this law. A raised to m the whole raised to n equals a raised to m into n. A raised to m the whole raised to n equals a raised to m into n. So I can write a y raised to a raised to m into n means 4 into 2. 4 into 2. This will be equal to y raised to n. So y raised to 4 into 2, 8 equals y raised to n. So check the LHS, y raised to 8. Check the RHS, y raised to n. The base is same so that we can equate the power. So the answer is n is equal to 8. The value of n is equal to 8. So the answer is n is equal to 8. Question number 6. Question number 6. Solve for n. Solve for n. Z raised to 2 the whole raised to n equals z raised to 10. Okay, what is the value of n? Again, we will apply this law. A raised to m the whole raised to n equals a raised to m into n. So this will be z raised to 2 into n equals z raised to 10. So z raised to 2 into n means 2n equals z raised to 10. So check the base. Base is same so that I can equate the power. So 2n equals to 10. So that n will be equal to 10 divided by 2. So this will be, what is 10 by 2? 10 by 2 is 5. So the answer is 5. So the value of n equal to 5. Question number 7. Question number 7. Find the value of n. Find the value of n if 10 raised to 1 the whole raised to 3 equals 10 raised to n. So again, I will apply the law. A raised to m the whole raised to n equals a raised to m into n. So 10 raised to 1 into 3 will be equal to 10 raised to n. So I will equate the power. So n is equal to 3 into 1, 3. So the answer is 3. So the value of n is 3. Question number 8. Question number 8. Find the value of n. Find the value of n if x square the whole raised to 4 equals x raised to n. X raised to 2 the whole raised to 4 equal to x raised to n. Again, I will apply the law. A raised to m the whole raised to n equals a raised to m into n. So x raised to 2 into 4 equals x raised to n. So x raised to 4 into 2 is 8 equals x raised to n. So I can equate the power, right? So n is equal to 8. Check the base. Base is x, right? So that we can equate the power. So n is equal to 8. So the answer is n is equal to 8. Next question. Question number 9. Question number 9. What is x raised to minus 3? Sorry, I will remove this bracket. Yeah. So, yeah, x raised to 3, x raised to minus 3 into y raised to 3, close the bracket, raised to minus 7. X raised to minus 3 into y raised to 3, the whole raised to minus 7. Okay. So for the first term, I will apply this law. We know that a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. So I can write this one 1 by x raised to 3. 1 by x raised. I am applying this law. A raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. So x raised to minus 3 equal to 1 by x raised to 3 into y raised to 3, the whole raised to minus 7. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Then we have another law, a by b. A by b, the whole raised to minus m equals b by a, the whole raised to m. Okay. If an expression a by b, the whole raised to minus m, like this will be equal to, take the reciprocal and change the sign of the power. So a by b, the whole raised to minus m equals b by a, the whole raised to m. So this one I can write. So I will rewrite this like this: y raised to 3 divided by x raised to 3, the whole raised to minus 7. Okay, so this will be, I will take the reciprocal. So x raised to 3 divided by y raised to 3, then I will change the sign of the power. This is minus 7. I will change this to 7. I am applying this law. A by b, the whole raised to minus m equals b by a, the whole raised to m. Okay. So what is the answer? Yeah, this one I can write here. I will write here. Okay. So this will be, so a by b, the whole raised to m form. Okay. So this will be equal to x raised to 3 into 7 divided by y raised to 3 into 7. This will be equal to x raised to, what is 7 into 3? 21. So x raised to 21 divided by y raised to 21. Okay, so I can write this will be equal to x raised to 21, y raised to, I will move this 21 to the numerator, y raised to minus 21. So what is the final answer? X raised to 21 into y raised to minus 21. Next question, question number 10. Question number 10. To open the bracket, 2 raised to minus 7 into 5 raised to 5, the whole square. What is the value of this expression? 2 raised to minus 7 into 5 raised to 5, the whole square. Again, we will apply this law, a raised to minus m equals 1 by a raised to m. Okay, for the first time. So 1 by 2 raised to 7 into 5 raised to 5, the whole raised to 2. Okay, so this one will be 5 raised to 5 divided by 2 raised to 7, the whole square. So this will be equal to 5 raised to 5 into 2 divided by 2 raised to 7 into 2. So this will be equal to 5 raised to 5 into 2 is 10 divided by 2 raised to 7 into 2 is 14. So that means 5 raised to 10 divided by 2 raised to 14. This one I can write equals 5 raised to 10 into, I will move this, now the 2 raised to 2 raised to 14 in the denominator. I will move this 2 raised to 14 in the numerator. So that means 2 raised to minus 14. So the final answer is 5 raised to 10 into 2 raised to minus 14. Question number 11. Z raised to 4 divided by 6 square, the whole raised to minus 3 equal. What is the value of this expression? Z raised to 4 divided by 6 square, the whole raised to minus 3. So this will be equal to Z raised to 4 into minus 3 divided by 6 raised to 2 into minus 3. So this will be equal to Z raised to, what is 4 into minus 3? Minus 12 divided by 6 raised to, what is 3 into 2? 6. So the sign is minus 6. So Z raised to minus 12, then divided by 6 raised to minus 6. Okay, so I can write like this. I will move this Z raised to minus 12 in the denominator. What happens? It will change into plus. So Z raised to 12, right? Then I will move this denominator into numerator. This is 6 raised to minus 6. So this will become 6 raised to 6. Okay, so this 6 raised to minus 6 will move to the numerator by changing the sign of the power. Similarly, Z raised to minus 12 move to the denominator by changing the sign of the power. Okay, so the final answer is 6 raised to 6 divided by Z raised to 12. Next question, question number 12. Question number 12. Okay, question number 12. 8 raised to minus 5, 8 raised to minus 5 divided by 2 raised to minus 2. 8 raised to minus 5 divided by 2 raised to minus 2, the whole raised to minus 4. Okay, what is the value of this expression? So this will be equal to 8 raised to minus 5 into minus 4, the whole divided by 2 raised to minus 2 into minus 4. So this will be equal to 8 raised to, what is 5 into 4? 20, minus into minus plus. That means 8 raised to 20 divided by 2 raised to, what is 4 into 2? 8. Then minus into minus plus 2 raised to 8. So 8 raised to 20 divided by 2 raised to 8. So the final answer is 8 raised to 20 divided by 2 raised to 8. Okay. Next question. Question number 13. Okay. So 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 5 into 1 by 5. Okay. So we have 4 options. First one is 5 raised to minus 2, 5 raised to minus 2, the whole raised to 2. This is option A. Then option B, 5 raised to minus 4, the whole raised to 0. Then option C, 5 raised to 1 divided by 5 raised to 4. And finally, option D is 5 square into 5 raised to minus 6. Okay. So out of these 4 options, 2 answers are correct. Okay. So you should select 2 correct answers from these 4 options. So first I will check this 1 by 5. How many 1 by 5? 4, right? That means 1 by 5 the whole raised to 4. Correct? 1 by 5, the whole raised to 4. Okay. So, yeah. So we will check the first option, 5 raised to minus 2. And we know that a raised to minus m. What is a raised to minus m? A raised to minus m is 1 by a raised to m. So that means this is 1 by, so this will be 1 by 5 raised to 2. Correct? This is 1 by 5 raised to 2, the whole square. So this will be equal to 1 by, so 1 square divided by 5 raised to 2 into 2. So this will be 1 divided by 5 raised to 4. Okay, so again, this is equal to 1 divided by 5 raised to 4. That means first option is correct. So option A is correct. Option A is correct. You have to select one more option. Second option is 5 raised to minus 4 the whole raised to 0. That is wrong. Why? Any number raised to 0 equal to 1. Any number raised to 0 equal to 1. So 5 raised to minus 4, the whole raised to 0 equal to 1. So this is not the correct answer. Okay. So this is one option. Then next is the third option, 5 raised to 1 divided by 5 raised to 4. This is in the form of a raised to m divided by a raised to n. What is a raised to m by a raised to n? A raised to m minus n. So this will be equal to 5 raised to 1 minus 4. So this will be 5 raised to minus 3. Again, this is wrong. And finally, the last option is in the form of a raised to m into a raised to n equals a raised to m plus n. So this will be equal to 5 raised to 2 plus minus 6. So this will be 5 raised to 2 minus 6 is minus 4. Again, we know that a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. So this will be equal to 1 by 5 raised to 4. So the answers are option A and option D. Option A and option D are the correct answer. Question number 14. Question number 14. Nadali tried to evaluate the expression 4 raised to minus 3 into 2 raised to minus 3 the whole raised to 0. Okay, so she is evaluating this expression 4 raised to minus 3 into 2 raised to minus 3 the whole raised to 0. Okay, so these are the steps. So step number 1 is 8 raised to minus 3 the whole raised to 0. Then after that she did 8 raised to 0. Then after that she will get 0. Okay, so this is step number 1. This is step number 2. And this is step number 3. The question is, did Nadali make a mistake? Did Nadali make a mistake? If so, in which step? Step number 1, step number 2, or step number 3. Okay. So once again, Nadali tried to evaluate the expression. And what is the expression? 4 raised to minus 3 into 2 raised to minus 3, the whole raised to 0. Okay. And these are the 3 steps. Okay. So first I am checking the step. Okay. First step I am checking. So the first step is in the form of a raised to m. So check the power. Power is same. So a raised to m into b raised to m form. What is a raised to m into b raised to m? A raised to m into b raised to m is a into b the whole raised to m. So that means 4 into 2, 8, 8 raised to minus 3 the whole raised to 0. So this step is correct. Okay. So then step number two. Step number two is 8 raised to step number 2 is a raised to m the whole raised to n form. That means a raised to m into n. That means minus 3 into 0. Minus 3 into 0 is 0. So this is also correct. But the last step, this is wrong. Why this is wrong? As per the laws of exponents, any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Okay, so this is not 0. This answer is 1. So step number 3. So the mistake is in step number 3. Okay, so any number raised to 0 equal to 1. Okay, so the mistake is in step number 3. All the other two steps, step number 1 and step number 2 are correct, whereas step number 3 is wrong. Nadali made a mistake in step number 3. Then question number 15. Question number 15. Which expressions are equivalent to 2 raised to 5 divided by 6 raised to 5? Okay, so we have 4 options. So I will write the 4 options. First option is 1 by 3. Second option is 3 raised to minus 5. Third option is minus 4 raised to minus 5. Then fourth option is 2 raised to 5 into 6 raised to minus 5. These are the 4 options. These are the 4 options. And we have to find equivalent expression for this 2 raised to 5 divided by 6 raised to 5. There are 2 correct answers. So you should select 2 correct answers from these 4 options. Okay, so first I am expanding this. 2 raised to 5 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The whole divided by 6 raised to 5 means 6 into 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then I will cancel this 2 with the 6. Okay. So 3 into 2 is 6. So here 3 remaining. Again, here 3 remaining. Here 3 remaining. Here 3 remaining. Here 3 remaining. So that means this will be equal to 1 by 3 raised to 5. 1 by 3 raised to 5. Okay. And the option B, okay, we know that a raised to minus m equal to what? 1 by a raised to m. So this is in the form of 1 by a raised to m. So this will be equal to what? A raised to minus m. That means 3 raised to minus 5. So this option B is correct. Okay. Then 1 by 3, option A is wrong. Okay. Then next is option C. Okay, what is option D? Option D is, yeah, option D is also, option D is correct, right? Okay, so 2 raised to 5 into, so 6 raised to 5 in the denominator. When this denominator will come to the numerator, change the sign of the power. That means 6 raised to minus 5. So 6 raised to minus 5. Okay, so the correct answers are option B and option D. Option B, 3 raised to minus 5, and option D, 2 raised to 5 into 6 raised to minus 5. Question number 16. Question number 16. Which expressions are equivalent to 7 raised to minus 2 into 7 raised to 6? 7 raised to minus 2 into 7 raised to 6. Select 2 options, 2 answers from 4 options. First option is 7 raised to 2, 7 raised to 2 divided by 7 raised to minus 2. Then option B is 7 raised to 6 divided by 7 raised to minus 2. Then option C is 7 raised to minus 12. And finally, option D is 7 raised to 2, 7 raised to 2 the whole raised to 2. These are the four options. First, I am simplifying this one. Okay. So 7 raised to minus 2. Again, we know that a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. Okay. So this one I can write 1 by 7 raised to 2 into 7 raised to 6. Okay, by applying this law, what a raised to minus m equals 1 by a raised to m. So this one I can write 7 raised to 6 means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The whole divided by 7 raised to 2. 7 raised to 2 means 7 into 2, 7 into 7. So I will cancel 2, 7 from the denominator and the numerator. So balance is 7 raised to 1, 2, 3, 4. 7 raised to 4. So the final answer is 7 raised to 4. Okay. So option D is correct. Why option D is correct? Option D is in the form of a raised to m the whole raised to n. That is equal to a raised to mn. That means this is 7 raised to 2 into 2, 7 raised to 4. So that means option D is correct. So this answer is correct. Okay. So this answer is correct. Then next is 7 raised to minus 12. No, this is wrong because the answer is 7 raised to 4. So then I am taking the this one, option B. I'm checking option B. Option B is in the form of a raised to m divided by a raised to n. So that means a raised to m minus n. So that means 7 raised to 6, 7 raised to 6 minus minus 2. So that means 7 raised to 6 minus minus plus 6 plus 2. That means 7 raised to 8. No, this is also wrong. So the final option is option A. Sorry, option A is again a raised to m by a raised to n form. So a raised to m minus n. That means 7 raised to 2 minus minus 2. Minus into minus plus, that means 7 raised to 4. So this is 7 raised to 4. So the answers are option A and option D. Option A and option D is the are the correct answers. Okay, next question. Question number 17. Question number 17. Select the equivalent expression 3 raised to minus 6 divided by 7 raised to minus 3, the whole divided by, sorry, the whole raised to 5. Okay, 3 raised to minus 6 divided by 7 raised to minus 3, the whole raised to 5. Okay, so I will apply this law. What is a raised to minus m? A raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. Okay. So, so I will calculate 3 raised to minus 6 first. What is 3 raised to minus 6? 3 raised to minus 6 is 1 by 3 raised to 6. Then next is 1 by 7 raised to minus 3 because 7 raised to minus 3 in the denominator, right? Okay. So I will cross multiply this law. Okay, I will cross multiply this. What will happens? A raised to m is equal to 1 by a raised to minus m. Okay, just a simple cross multiplication. So I am using these two laws. Okay. Okay. So by applying this 1 by a raised to minus m is equal to, what is that? 7 raised to 3. By applying this, I can write. So this will be equal to 3 raised to minus 6 into 1 by 7 raised to minus 3. The whole raised to 5, right? This is in the form of this, right? And we know that what is 3 raised to minus 6? 3 raised to minus 6 is 1 by 3 raised to 6. 1 by 3 raised to 6 into, what is 1 by 7 raised to minus 3? 1 by 7 raised to minus 3 is 7 raised to 3. 7 raised to 3, the whole raised to 5. So this will be equal to 7 raised to 3 divided by 3 raised to 6, the whole raised to 5. So this will be equal to 7 raised to 3 into 5, the whole divided by 3 raised to 6 into 5. So this will be equal to 7 raised to, what is 5 into 3? 15. Divided by 3 raised to 6 into 5, 30. So the answer is 7 raised to 15. So the answer is 7 raised to 15 divided by 3 raised to 30. That is the answer. 7 raised to 15 divided by 3 raised to 30. Next question. Question number 18. Question number 18. Solve for n. Solve for n. What is the value of n? So 7 square, the whole raised to 4 equals n raised to 8. Okay. So first LHS is in the form of a raised to m, the whole raised to n. What is a raised to m, the whole raised to n? A raised to m into n. So that means 7 raised to 2 into 4 equals n raised to 8. So 7 raised to 4 into 2, 8 equals n raised to 8. So check the value of the power, same, so that I can equate the base. So n is equal to 7. So the answer is n is equal to 7. Then question number 19. What is the value of 3 raised to minus 5? Okay. Simple expression. We know that a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. So this will be equal to 1 by 3 raised to 5. So the answer is 1 by 3 raised to 5. Next question, question number 20. What is x raised to minus 6? Okay. Again, we know that a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. A raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. So this will be equal to 1 by x raised to 6. 1 by x raised to 6. So the answer is 1 by x raised to 6. Okay, I will save this. Next, question number 21. Next is question number 21. Okay. Okay. So next question is express the number in express the number in express the number in scientific notation. Express the number in scientific notation. Okay, 763,000. Okay, so this will be equal to 763. Okay, so this one we can write 7.63 into 7.63 into 10 raised to minus 1. Okay, so what is 7.63 into 10 raised to minus 1? This will be equal to 7.63 into 10 raised to 1 means divided by 10, right? So this will be equal to, what is 7.63 divided by 10? 0.763. Okay, so this is the 763,000. We can express this in the scientific notation as 7.63 into 10 raised to minus 1. So 7.63 into 10 raised to minus 1 is 7.63 divided by 10. That means I will shift this decimal to here. That means 0.763. So 763, what is 763 divided by 1000? This will be equal to 0.763. Okay, this way of writing is called a scientific notation. Okay, we will be using this type of exponential forms. This is what is called a scientific notation. So the answer is 7.63 into 10 raised to minus 1. Okay, next question, question number 22. Question number 22. Express the number in standard form. Express the number in standard form. Express the number in standard form. So 1.304 into 10 raised to 7. This is called a scientific notation. 1 point, because this is in the exponential form. 1.304 into 10 raised to 7. We will write this in the standard form. Standard form means 1.304 into 1. 10 raised to 7 means how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros, because this is 10 raised to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So this will be equal to, here how many decimal points? 1, 2, 3. 3 decimal points. So I will cancel, for 3 decimals, I will cancel 3 zeros. Okay. So 1,304. Then how many zeros remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So this is the standard form. So the answer is 1,304. How many zeros? 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Okay. Next question. Question number 23. Question number 23. Express the number in scientific notation. Express the number in scientific notation. Express the number in scientific notation. 0.3643. 0.3643. Okay. So how you will write? So this one I can write. So here how many decimal points? 1, 2, 3, 4 decimal points, right? So 3643. This is divided by 1000, right? Okay. 3643 divided 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, right? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, right? Divided by 10,000. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 decimals, right? So this will be equal to 3643 divided by 10 raised to 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this will be equal to 3643 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay. Okay. Or if I am taking this, so the answer is, so this is in the form of, so 3643. So the answer is 3643 into 10 raised to 3643 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay, what is 3643 into 10 raised to minus 4 divided by 10 raised to 4? So divided by 10 raised to 4 means how many is it? 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros. That means 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros, right? So I'm expressing this number in the scientific notation like this. Then question number 24. Question number 24. Okay, express this number in scientific notation. 427,000. Express this number in scientific notation. 427,000. Okay. So 427,000 means 427 into 1000. 1, 2, 3. Right. So this will be equal to 427 into 1000 means 10 raised to 3. Okay. So in scientific notation, we can write 427 into 10 raised to 3. Okay. Or I can change the decimal 4.27. I added 2 decimal points, right? So that means I can give 3 plus 2, 5, 10 raised to 5. So 4.27 into 10 raised to 5. So this is also correct. This one is also correct. 427 into 10 raised to 3 or 4.27 into 10 raised to 5. So 4.27 into 10 raised to 5 means 427 into 1000. Both are same. Then question number 25. Question number 25. Express the number in standard form. 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 5.301 into 10 raised to 7 equals. So 5.301 into 10 raised to 7 means 1. Then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros. So this will be here how many decimal point here? 1, 2, 3. After decimal, 3 places, right? 1, 2, 3. So I will cancel 1, 2, 3. So that means 5, 301. Then how many zeros remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the final answer is 5301, 4 zeros. 5301, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Okay, so this is the standard form and this is the scientific notation. Okay, so this is what is called a scientific notation. This is called a scientific notation. This is called a scientific notation and this is called a standard form or normal form. Standard form. Then question number 26. Question number 26. Express the number in scientific notation. 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 0.123202077. Okay, so this is the number. We have to represent this number in scientific notation form. Okay, so here first you check the how many after this decimal, how many places are there? Check. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right. So that means I can write 2077 divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, that means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be equal to 2077 divided by 10 raised to 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be equal to 2077 into 10 raised to minus 7. So this is the scientific notation. 2077 into 10 raised to minus 7. Then question number 27. Question number 27. Express the number in standard form. 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 So 2.077 into 10 raised to minus 4. Okay. So this one 2.077 divided by 10 raised to 4, right? I will move this 10 raised to minus 4 to the denominator. 10 raised to 4. So this will be equal to 2.077 divided by 1. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 zeros. Okay. So this will be equal to so this will be equal to 7, 7, 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, right? So that means 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0.1234. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay. So after decimal, so this is the point, right? Decimal 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. So 0. So the answer is 0.000 2077. Okay, here this is the decimal, right? So we are dividing this with the 10 raised to 4. 10 raised to 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4 places. So I will give 4 places after this decimal. So now initially the decimal is here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. I will shift this decimal to here because there are 4 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is, the standard form is 0.000277. This is the standard form. Okay. Next question. Question number 28. Question number 28. Select the equivalent expression of 1 by y raised to 6. It's a very simple question. So we know that a raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. Or just cross multiplication, a raised to m is equal to uh, or a raised to m is equal to 1 by a raised to minus m. Okay, so we will apply this one. So 1 by a raised to m. So 1 by y raised to 6 is equal to a raised to minus m. That means this is equal to y raised to minus 6. So the answer is y raised to minus 6. Then question number 29. Question number 29. Select the equivalent expression 5 raised to 4 into b raised to minus 10 the whole raised to minus 6 equals what? Okay. So uh, again, I will write the this one, a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m, right? A raised to minus m equal to 1 by a raised to m. So 5 raised to 4 into this one, b raised to minus 10 is equal to 1 by b raised to 10, the whole raised to minus 6. Okay, so this will be equal to 5 raised to 4 divided by b raised to 10 the whole raised to minus 6. We know that a by b the whole raised to minus m equals b by a the whole raised to m. So we will apply this law here. So this will be equal to b raised to 10 divided by 5 raised to 4. Take the reciprocal and change the sign of the power, 6. Okay, so this will be equal to b raised to 10 into 6, 60. B raised to 60 divided by 5 raised to 6 into 4. 6 into 4 is 24. So the answer is b raised to 60 divided by 5 raised to 24. B raised to 60 divided by 5 raised to 24. Then question number 30. Question number 30. Which expressions are equivalent to 4 raised to minus 2 into 7 raised to minus 2? 4 raised to minus 2 into 7 raised to minus 2. Okay, we have 4 options. We have 4 options. One option is 4 into 7. 4 into 7, the whole raised to minus 4. Second option is 1 by 28 square. Then third option is 7 raised to minus 2 divided by 4 raised to 2. And last one, 4 into 7, the whole raised to 4. Okay, first I will calculate the value. Okay, so we know that a raised to minus m is equal to 1 by a raised to m. I will apply this here. So here this is 1 by, so 1 by 4 square into 1 by 7 square. Okay. So this will be equal to, so power is same. So 1 by 7 into 4, the whole raised to 2. So this will be equal to 1 by 28, the whole square. So option B is correct. Okay. One answer is option B, 1 by 28 square. Okay. Then another answer is, this is 1 by 7 into 4, the whole square, right? Yes. Yeah, option C is correct, right? Why option C is correct? Option C is 7 raised to minus 2 divided by, so here in the question, 4 raised to minus 2 in the numerator. When this term comes to the denominator, the sign of the power changes from minus to plus. It's 4 raised to 2. So 4 raised to 2. So the correct answer is option B and option C. 1 by 28 square and 7 raised to minus 2 divided by 4 square are the correct answers. Then question number 31. Question number 31. Express the number in standard form. We have to express the given number in standard form. So the number is 3.868, 3.868 into 10 raised to 9. Okay, so this will be equal to 3.868 into 10 raised to 9 means how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 zeros. Okay, and here, here 1, 2, 3. Okay, after this decimal, there are 3 places. So I will cancel 1, 2, 3 zeros. So I can write 3. So I can shift this decimal to here. So 3, 8, 6, 8. Then I will combine all the remaining zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the standard form. This is the scientific notation and this is the standard form. So the answer is 3868. 3868. Then how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Next question is question number 32. Question number 32 is find the value of n. Find the value of n if 7 raised to 3, the whole raised to 3 equals 7 raised to n. So we will apply the law a raised to m, the whole raised to n equals a raised to m into n. So here 7 raised to 3 into 3 equals 7 raised to n. Here check the base. Base is same, so I can equate the power. So n equals 3 into 3. So the value of n equals 9. So the final answer is n equals 9. Then question number 33. Question number 33 is select the equivalent expression of 9 raised to 6 into 7 raised to minus 9, the whole raised to minus 4. So I will apply the law a raised to minus m equals 1 by a raised to m. A raised to minus m equals 1 by a raised to m. So first term is 9 raised to 6 into, next one is 1 by 7 raised to 9. 1 by 7 raised to 9, the whole raised to minus 4. Then I will apply the next law a by b, the whole raised to minus m equals b by a the whole raised to m. So I can write like this: 7 raised to 9 divided by 9 raised to 6. Then I will change the sign of the power. It's 4. So 7 raised to 9 divided by 9 raised to 6, the whole raised to 4. So this will be 7 raised to 9 into 4 divided by 9 raised to 6 into 4. So this will be equal to 7 raised to 9 into 4 is 36 divided by 9 raised to 6 into 4 is 24. So the answer is 7 raised to 36 divided by 9 raised to 24. Then question number 34. Question number 34. What is 1 by 9 raised to 2? Select the equivalent expression of 9 raised to 2. Again, this is a simple question. We know that a raised to minus m equals 1 by a raised to m. So 1 by a raised to m is equal to a raised to minus m. That means the answer is 9 raised to minus 2. So the answer is 9 raised to minus 2. Then question number 35. Question number 35. Find the value of n. Find the value of n where a raised to 5, the whole raised to 2 equals a raised to n. So we know that a raised to m, the whole raised to n equals a raised to m into n. So a raised to 5 into 2 equals a raised to n. A raised to 5 into 2 is 10 will be equal to a raised to n. So I will equate the power because the base is same. So the value of n is equal to 10. I will equate the power so that the value of n equals 10. So next question, question number 36. Question number 36 is, which expressions are equivalent to 4 raised to minus 3 divided by 4 raised to minus 1. 4 raised to minus 3 divided by 4 raised to minus 1. Again, we will apply the law a raised to minus m equals 1 by a raised to m. So we have two terms. One is 4 raised to minus 3 and another one is 1 divided by 4 raised to minus 1. Because 4 raised to minus 3 is in the numerator and 4 raised to minus 1 is in the denominator. So what is 4 raised to minus 3? By applying this law, 1 by 4 raised to 3. Okay. What is 1 by 4 raised to minus 1? Cross multiplication. I can write it's 4 raised to 1. So this will be equal to 4 raised to minus 3 is 1 by 4 raised to 3 into what is 1 by 4 raised to minus 1? 1 by 4 raised to minus 1 is 4 raised to 1. That means 4 raised to 1. So this will be equal to 1 by 4 raised to 3 is 4 into 4 into 4 into 4 raised to 1 is 4. I can cancel this 2 4s. So the final answer is 1 by 16. So the final answer is 1 by 4 square or 1 by 16 is the answer. Okay. 1 by 16. So we have 4 options. First option is, out of the 4 options, you should select 2 answers. One is 4 raised to 1 divided by 4 raised to 3. Yes, that is the correct. Okay. 4 raised to 1 divided by 4 raised to 3. Option A. Then option B is 1 by 4 square. Yes, that is also correct because 1 by 4 square is 16. Option C is 4 raised to 3 into 4 raised to 1. That means a raised to m into a raised to n is a raised to m plus n. That means 4 raised to 4. So 4 raised to 4 is wrong. This is wrong. Option C is wrong. And finally, option D. Option D is 4 raised to minus 1 the whole raised to minus 3. So this will be a raised to m, the whole raised to n is a raised to mn. So minus 1 into minus 3 is 3, 4 raised to 3. This is 4 raised to 3. Again, this is wrong. So the correct answer is option A and option B. Then question number 37. Question number 37. Express the number in scientific notation. Express the number in scientific notation. So 0.000 zeros, then 8235. 8235. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. After this decimal, there are 7 places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this will be equal to 8235 divided by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So this will be equal to 8235 divided by 10 raised to 7. So this will be equal to 8235 into 10 raised to minus 7. This is called a scientific notation. 8235 into 10 raised to minus 7. Okay. So that's all about the chapter exponents and powers. So we solved 37 problems. Watch all the problems again and again and solve the problems and again and again. Apply the different laws of exponents. So the important laws of exponents are once again a raised to m into a raised to n equals a raised to m plus n. Then a raised to m divided by a raised to n equals a raised to m minus n. Then a raised to m into b raised to m equals a into b the whole raised to m. Then a raised to minus m equals 1 by a raised to m. Okay. Then cross multiplication we will get a raised to m equals 1 by a raised to minus m. Then a by b the whole raised to minus m equals b by a the whole raised to m. Okay. Then any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. For example, 3 raised to 0 is equal to 1. 1000 raised to 0 is equal to 1. Any number raised to 0 is equal to 1. Apply all these laws of exponents so that you can easily solve any type of problems from this chapter, exponents and powers. Thank you.